Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. All right, if you guys want to take the time, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, please. I appreciate every single one of you guys. In today's videos, we're going to be replacing the indicator lights there on the 2013 model, and it's probably the same between 2010 and 2018. I can't guarantee that, but this one here, like as an example, this today here we realized it. This actually came off of a 2014 with a 3.7 liter, and now this is a 2013 with a 3.5 liter, so that's what it is. So what we're going to start with here today is I got to get all these little screws. Now they're all Phillips right across, and then you got a couple of sockets here that I'm going to go ahead and take off. So I'm not going to bore you guys with all of this. The last thing I want to do is strip these out, which I think I might have the wrong bit. Yeah, I might have to get a different bit. This might be too shallow. Yeah, it wants to pop on it. So yeah, so I'll just go ahead and get these ones out here. Well, that one is turning. Okay. So I'll just go ahead and get these off, and then I'll start on these right here. All right, so now we've got to get 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 of them, and these ones are all going to be where's my size? And of course it has to be on the other side. Anyway, they're all 10 mil, so I'll go ahead and get these off, and we'll continue on. Okay, now this one's kind of long, but because there might be a couple down here that I've got to get, but we got to get this under here and pull these up and go ahead and lose them down there. So anyway, so I'll go ahead and get that off. Okay, so we've got this off. Now that we've got this off, actually I'm just going to throw this in the back of the car here. Now normally there'd probably be, I don't know, maybe an 8 mil or something like that in there, but see mine on both sides, it's not screwed in. There'd be a screw right in under here on both sides. So on mine, like I said, we can pull it right out like that, so as you guys can see it starting to come out. So I'm gonna go ahead. I don't know exactly how to put it, you know what I mean? I'm working on this thing, so we'll go ahead and see what else I've got to loosen off to try and get this thing forward. Okay, so I don't know what size these guys are, but there's 1, 2, 3 of these little tiny guys right here that are holding on to the fender. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and break those off on both sides. So let me just do that. I'll get you guys a size. Just give me a sec. Okay, so these are gonna be that was at 7/32 is what this is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and ratchet these out and get the other side there. So in doing that, I know that you guys, I said that you guys know it. Sometimes I can't talk. Anyway, let's start over again. I know the hood was replaced, and obviously some work has been done here somewhere. There's some orbital sanding on that side there, and you guys can see the lines there where they painted over. And then I just found where those were all 7 and whatever. These ones here, there's 2 on the lower bottom side here were Phillips. So no big deal, but either way, I'm not saying that to knock this car in any way, shape, or form, because it is what it is. And so far, this hasn't been a hard job. Pretty easy. So now let's see that once I got those off there, I'm going to see if it's possible for you to clamshell this without having to get on my back and getting the bottom ones out. So let's have a look see here. Okay, so yeah, sure enough here, you can just clamshell it. You don't have to take it. It's all been apart before. You guys can see there's even twist ties on this. So, and I'm actually going to fluid film the crap out of this to help stop any of that rust. So from what I can see here, right behind this rubber, I'm going to have one right there. You got one right here on the top, and then I don't know, but looking at it, I don't know if it's pieced together here. I can't seem to find anything else underneath it, because it's kind of sitting in this tray right here, right? So we'll see. I'll see what I have to do here, try and get this off, and I'll let you guys know where I'm at with it. Okay, piece of cake actually. So you take that one there out, that's a 10 mil. You take this one right here out, that's a 10 mil. There's a little plastic clip. I haven't done it on this side here, so I'll show you on this side here. So you're gonna get this one out right here, that's 10. That one's 10. There's this plastic clip right here you wanna pull up. And then this one right here is 13. Once you got that off, the light's out. This actually turned out to be a pretty easy job, guys. So I don't have to put this all back together again to show you guys, but at least now you guys know as well as I do how easy or hard it is to try and get in here and get these lights. So there's the harness that's been cut. That's for the flasher, and this little guy right here is my trouble one. So I don't know how to unplug him. It's been wired back up, which is good. I don't know why that's going down into there. But anyway, yeah. So that's it, guys. I'll have a go at this stuff here. Look at her, get everything all tied up here, and yeah. So that's how you do her. Pretty easy job, guys. Once you get that done, go ahead and put everything back up. It's going to be a little bit harder because you got to keep in mind that this lip right here actually slides in right underneath here. So that job didn't take me half as long as I thought it was going to. So I'm not going to bore you guys putting it all back together again. I'm just going to go ahead and get that light in there, make sure it's working, and go from there. Again, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Appreciate every single one of you guys. Thanks everybody for hitting my subscribe button there, and I appreciate every single one of you guys, man. Finally hit 1,000 subscribers. So hit the like, leave a comment, share it, all that good stuff, guys. Help my channel grow. And you guys found this helpful, let me know. All right, guys. Peace. See you in the next one.